How to install Kindine HM750T servo motor on heavy-duty industrial sewing machine. 1. Caution.
Please turn off the power and unplug the cord before installing or removing the motor. Kindine HM750T servo motor is available with AC 110 volt or AC 220 volt system. Please make sure the correct power outlet, according to the specification of motor.
2. Motor installation.
Take out the 3 shock absorption pads and put onto the 3 bolts. Take out the HM750T motor. Turn the nuts to highest position.
Install the motor and place belt into pulley groove.
Install the 3 nuts and washers. Make sure the belt is at the center of table groove. If the belt touch edge of groove, please adjust the motor position to right or left.
Then tighten nuts.
These 2 nuts are for adjusting the height of motor and belt tension.
Now the belt tension is loose, we need to adjust it.
Let's turn the 2 nuts to down position. Keep checking the belt tension by hand.
When achieve proper belt tension, tighten the locking nut.
Install the treadle linkage bar to speed controller. Adjust the pedal to proper angle, convenient for sewing.
Tighten the fixing nut.
Press the pedal to check if the installation is properly. Install the belt cover by 2 screws.
Three. Control box installation.
This is the control box of Kindine HM750T servo motor. Install the control box under the table, close to motor and convenience to operate. Install the 3 fixing screws. There are several ports on the back of the control box. They are for A. Motor power port,
B. Motor encoder port,
D. Speed controller port. There are 3 plugs on the motor, which must be connected into above 3 ports accordingly. Beside, below ports are 4, C function key panel / switch port.
E14P multifunction port.
And there are 3 ports on this side: F2P multifunction port,
G needle position synchronizer port, H LED light 5-volt port. For synchronizer installation, take out the synchronizer and its positioning rod. Note, different sewing machine requires different positioning rod. Attach the positioning rod onto belt guard of sewing machine.
Before tighten the fixing screw, please align the positioning rod with center of the hand wheel.
Insert the positioning rod into the synchronizer groove.
Mount the synchronizer to the connector of hand wheel.
Tighten the 2 screws. Connect the synchronizer plug to control box.
Plug motor into the correct power outlet, note 220 volt or 110 volt.
Turn on the control box.
The green LED on synchronizer will light up. Synchronizer is turned on.
Loosen the screw. Remove the cover.
Turn the hand wheel of machine, move needle to the highest position. Loosen this screw 3 to 5 turns counterclockwise.
The inside sensor plate is for needle up position.
Turn the sensor plate, align the red mark with the hole above the N. Then set the needle down position, turn the hand wheel, move needle to the lowest position.
The outer sensor plate is for needle down position.
Turn the sensor plate, align the red mark with the hole above the N.
After setting, tighten the screw. Install the cover back. Five key and function explain. Firstly, we need to activate the needle positioning function on control box.
Press and hold the P key, press the OK key simultaneously.
This key combination allows you to enter parameter selection.
Press plus, dash key, adjust P00 to P26.
Press P key to enter needle position function selection.
At this time, the interface displays 0000, indicating that the needle position function is turned off. Press the plus key to adjust it to 0001, indicating that the needle position function is turned on.
Press the OK key twice to confirm and return to the main interface. This is the up and down position switching key.
If the light above this key is on, when the pedal is released, the needle will automatically stop in the up position. If the light above this key is off, when the pedal is released, the needle will automatically stop in the down position. Usually we suggest to program the needle in down position during sewing.
Let's check the advantage of EPS, electronic positioning system.
During sewing, as when you want to sew corners or pivot the work to change sewing direction, just release the foot pedal, machine will stop immediately, needle will automatically stop in the down position, holding the fabric in place, avoid skipping stitch when turn the material. At end of sewing, heeling the foot pedal backward, needle will automatically stop in the up position. You can remove the sewn product directly. How many times a day do you have to remove your hand from your work? Move the hand wheel to lift needle, then remove the material? Synchronizer HM750T is great for time saving.
Let's back to the control panel.
Press and hold the P key, press the OK key simultaneously. Press dash key, adjust to P27.
Press P key to enter the gear setting.
Select the proper gear according to your sewing machine.
1 is for lightweight industrial sewing machine. 2 is for medium-weight industrial sewing machine. 3 is for heavy-duty industrial sewing machine.
4 is for extra heavy industrial duty sewing machine.
Hi-Tech 733 is one of the heaviest industrial sewing machines in today's market, so we select 4. Press the OK key twice to confirm and return to the main interface.
In the main interface, we can directly press the plus, dash keys to adjust the motor speed. The speed range of HM750T motor is 300 to 3000 rounds per minute. This is the key for sewing light. Press this key to turn on the sewing light. Press this key again to turn off the sewing light. This key is for motor rotation direction. Press and hold this key for 5 seconds. The LED light is on, the motor will run forward. Press and hold this key again for 5 seconds. The LED light is off. Reverse motor rotation.
This is the reset button.
Press and hold this key for over 5 seconds, restoring the control box to factory settings.
Let's look at another parameter.
Press and hold the P key. Press the OK key simultaneously. Press plus, dash key, adjust to P19, enter output function mode selection. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, a total of 4 modes are available. When this parameter is 0, the output on function key panel, from left to right, is reverse sewing, presser foot lift, spare, and spare. Press the foot pedal to start sewing.
Press and hold this button for reverse stitch. Release this button, machine will normally sewing forward. Press this button, lift the presser foot. Press this button again, down the presser foot. You can set different button control methods in the control box. If you have any individual sewing requirements that need some special functions, we can add some functions to spare buttons. If mode 0 cannot match to your requirements, you can select the mode 1, 2, or 3. If you have any additional question or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.